What's up everybody, and welcome back to the video. We got another unboxing finally. Sorry about the long delay. So let's just jump right into it. First package is from Be Good 2151. Wrote it on there because there was no packing slip in it. Well, no, there was, but it was a big old piece of paper. And in this I got a 40% silver Bicentennial Kennedy. Really nice. And I got the 40% Bicentennial quarter. I tried to get the Ike dollar too because he had all three, but I couldn't get it. Somebody else bid it up higher than I was willing to pay. And let's jump right into the next one. Next one is from AZ Coin Club. And in this, I got a free gift. Let's look at that first. And that is a 4,500 minted, I'm guessing, XF Ireland, 1978, 50 pence. Nice bird design on it. I like that it's not completely round. And we'll jump into the next one. Next one is from Hertel Coins. And this is a silver 1 ounce round. Let me grab something real quick, see if it might help. Wife gave it to me to see if it would help with the focus on the coins. Keep forgetting to grab it. Well, it helps a little. And it is on the obverse, it's Donald Trump. I got this for under $30. That's why I picked it up. Not a political type person, so hey, silver. And let's jump right into the next one. And the next one's right here. Vanguard Coins. If you've watched my previous streams, you know he's one of my favorites. And I got a 1965 special mint set. Still in the original envelope and packaging. Beautiful condition. I already have a 65 special mint set, but I picked up another because I have 2 kids, so that way when I pass this on to them, they can't fight over who gets what. I'm going to try to get 2 of all my main big items, 2 copies of. Certificate of authenticity with it. That way they can't fight on who gets what. Alright, let's jump on to the next one. This next one's from Superior _ Coins. And what we got here is... Oh, I might have wrote the wrong name on that, because this is $2 worth of 40% silver Kennedys. Not in the best shape, but still not bad. Goes into my roll. My new roll I started. Oh, let me get this Trump back in the flip. Alright. Last package. It's right here. It's from Red Missions. Three little envelopes in it. Start off with the first little envelope. Silver round. 1 ounce. Picture Kennedy. And where did I put that little black thing? Right here. One troy ounce. Him looking up at the moon and everything. On the back is really nice. Apollo 11. One small step for man. One giant leap for mankind. Really nice round. Picked that up because I really liked it. And under 30. And I got the Hunter round. Nice Native American on there. Back has a buffalo or bison, one of the two. 1 troy ounce. And the last little envelope is another one of the Kennedy Space ones for the Apollo 11. Could have passed them up. They were under 30 and couldn't pass it up. Alright, that's the video. Oh, and I have a 1964. I think that came out the Superior coins. 90% silver Kennedy. And that's the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the Kennedy coins, the Apollo coins. And let me know what you prefer to stack, constitutional or what type of rounds. Remember, stack even on a small budget. It all adds up.